Hello, I'm Cristina Marujas, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Rafi Boyajian. Global stock indices were headed for weekly gains as expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve and other central banks around the world would soon cut interest rates to counter the damaging impact of rising trade tensions lifted sentiment. Traders were also hopeful that U.S. and Mexican officials will be able to resolve the issue of illegal migration. Yesterday's talks were encouraging as U.S. Vice President Mike Pence said Mexico had come back to the table with more, but added that the final decision was still with President Trump. Negotiations are set to continue today, but unless major progress is made, the U.S. looks set to increase tariffs on all Mexican imports by 5% on Monday. Wall Street's leading indices managed to close higher, but hopes of stimulus wasn't enough to boost Chinese stocks as intensifying trade worries pushed the main indices around 1% lower today. The U.S. dollar was steady on Friday, but remained not too far from the multi-month lows plumbed earlier in the week. All eyes will now be on the non-farm payrolls report for May, due at 12:30 GMT. Any weakness in the jobs numbers will likely fuel bets of a rate cut in the coming months. The European Central Bank, as expected, kept policy unchanged on Thursday and gave more details about its latest round of cheap loans for banks. The terms were not quite as generous as speculated, and the ECB also revised its forward guidance, saying now it expects interest rates to stay at current levels until the middle of 2020. The ECB's dovish tilt failed to impress traders, and the euro ended the day sharply higher. More crucially, though, although ECB Chief Mario Draghi didn't hesitate to reassure markets that the bank stands ready to increase monetary stimulus if needed, he remained confident about the outlook, saying the risk of a recession was low. British Prime Minister Theresa May is due to officially step down as Conservative Party leader today, and her replacement could be elected by the end of July, setting the stage for a volatile few weeks for the pound. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching us at xm.com.